welcome to kiddrawsfun. Today I will teach you how to draw and color an elf. In Spanish is duende. So let's just get started. So first I will draw the head. I draw a circle. Right now I draw an eye, 2 eyes, 1. Draw a circle here. Okay, a circle. I believe the rest like this. Another eye here. And there's a circle. I believe they are circles. I will color the big circles and I will leave the small ones. I finished that. Now I make like this. I make a smiling mouth. Mouth is open. Right now, let's make like this, the ears. This. And like leaves. I finished it. Right now, let's draw a head. Hat. Let's draw his body, his pants, this. Let's do the hands. Finish drawing. Oh no! The belt. I finished drawing our elf. Let's color. So let's use red first. It's red. I use more red. Let's make this with yellow. More. Let's use yellow. Uh-oh. I finished that part of the elf. So let's add yellow. And I'll use black. Okay, wait, now let's use yellow. Oh, we need cream. I'll use face. I finished with cream. Oh no, I need to finish this part. I finished with cream. So let's use red. Right now, let's use light green for his shirt, for our elf. I use yellow. I colored the hat with light green. Let's blow! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.